and my website that I have worked incredibly hard on, which is always still a work in progress. However, here we have, um, you know, again, all of the experience that I've had in my life up until, even yesterday, earlier today, everything is here. I have worked so very hard on this, and I cannot tell you enough how much I appreciate all of you for your guidance, for your support, for your direction, for sometimes tough love, for all of the things that I have experienced over the past 2 years of wanting to become an entrepreneur. And so again, I want to thank you for, all of these things that I'm able to present to the world and to produce. And so I do hope that you all will stay in contact with me. And I look forward to continuing to work with all of you.